Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. Our news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded between 1 to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Before diving into the news, we would like to thank JD, Ebony Patterson 62, Strega 123 and Eric Suarez, our most recent subscribers to the channel. Guys, your support means the world to me and I'm thrilled to have you as part of our community. Xrp New News Update. Ripple's recent courtroom victory against the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has caused a surge in its XRP token, leaving investors wondering whether now is the right time to join the bandwagon. The ruling by U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres found that Ripple's operations did not fall under SEC's jurisdiction as a security, resulting in a 76% spike in Ripple's value before settling at 68 cents per token. While Ripple's legal win has generated significant interest, it is essential to focus on its implications for investors. The case isn't entirely closed yet, as the SEC and Ripple Labs are likely to appeal some of the judgments. However, the immediate threat of the SEC filing lawsuits against traders and exchanges for dealing with unregistered securities has been lifted. Major crypto exchanges, like Binance US and Coinbase Global, have already reopened trading for XRP tokens. This legal development has rekindled interest from both domestic and international investors, further improving Ripple's liquidity and long-term prospects. Although Ripple presents a promising investment opportunity, it's crucial to maintain a balanced approach when considering crypto investments. While Ripple's value remains below $1 and its court victory bodes well for its future, other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum still offer stability and robust value. Additionally, emerging projects like Polkadot are worth considering, offering a direct bet on the decentralized internet, Web3. These cryptocurrencies also benefit from Ripple's courtroom success, as the SEC's direct regulation of the digital assets market was limited. In conclusion, while the recent Ripple hype might be tempting, it is advisable to proceed with caution and not put all investments solely into XRP. Diversifying a crypto portfolio with various reliable assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and promising projects like Polkadot might provide a more well-rounded and stable investment strategy. Nevertheless, testing the waters with Ripple, especially while it remains valued below $1, could be a prudent move for interested investors. Xrp New News Update. Following a market-wide correction that saw Ripple's XRP lose nearly 8% of its value in the last 24 hours, it slipped back to the 5th position in the market cap ranking. In contrast, Bitcoin managed to maintain its value above $30,000, while Ethereum dipped below $2,000 during the same period. Despite the recent dip in XRP's value, market sentiments remain positive, mainly due to Ripple's partial victory against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, regarding the classification of XRP. The digital asset experienced a significant surge of 96%, reaching 93 cents on July 13, following the favorable ruling. However, the rally was short-lived, and within the next 24 hours, the price of XRP dropped by 7.97% to 72 cents, resulting in a market cap of $37.9 billion, which put it back in the 5th position among the top cryptocurrencies. The legal battle between Ripple and the SEC lasted almost 3 years, and the District Court for the Southern District of New York ruled that the sale of XRP on crypto exchanges did not fall under the category of investment contracts. Nevertheless, the judge noted that the sale of XRP to institutional buyers could be considered an investment contract. Despite not being a definitive ruling, many in the industry viewed this outcome as a significant victory, especially considering the ongoing regulatory scrutiny faced by the cryptocurrency sector in the US. Xrp New News Update. Crypto analytics firm Sentiment has made an intriguing prediction suggesting the possibility of a second price surge, or pump, for XRP. This forecast has generated excitement among investors and traders who are eagerly awaiting to see if history will repeat itself. XRP, known for its established reputation and dedicated community, could be in for another exciting ride. Sentiment's analysis is based on several key factors that point to the potential for a second pump. One such factor is the recent increase in social media activity surrounding XRP. Platforms like Twitter and Reddit have experienced a notable surge in discussions, mentions, and overall excitement related to the cryptocurrency. Such heightened attention often precedes significant price movements in the market. Additionally, Sentiment's analysis takes into account the trading volume of XRP. They have observed a steady rise in trading activity, indicating growing interest and potential accumulation by traders and investors. This surge in volume is seen as a positive sign that market participants are positioning themselves for a possible price rally. However, it's essential to acknowledge an important caveat to Sentiment's prediction: regulatory clarity. The legal landscape surrounding XRP remains uncertain due to ongoing legal proceedings between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The outcome of these proceedings could have a significant impact on XRP's future. Investors should exercise caution and closely monitor any regulatory developments before making significant investment decisions. The resolution of the Ripple SEC lawsuit could either provide a major boost to XRP's prospects or pose a significant hurdle. As with any investment in the cryptocurrency market, staying informed about regulatory changes is crucial for making well-informed decisions. Xrp New News Update. XRP has experienced a bullish momentum following Ripple's victory in its case against the SEC, which resulted in the token being declared not a security. The market's attention is now focused on how this partial regulatory clarity will impact the future price movement of XRP. Crypto trading analyst Michael van der Popper tweeted on July 14, suggesting that XRP could potentially make a mega move if it surpasses key price ranges, particularly the range between 65 cents and 69 cents. However, after its value skyrocketed following the court ruling, XRP is currently experiencing a slight correction. The cryptocurrency reached a multi-month high of 93 cents, recording gains of nearly 90% within 24 hours. During this surge, XRP outperformed established cryptocurrencies, with its trading volume on the South Korean exchange Upbit even surpassing that of Bitcoin at one point. Despite the recent positive developments, the legal saga surrounding XRP is not completely resolved. The presiding judge ruled that Ripple had violated federal law by directly selling XRP to investors. Some experts and lawyers also expressed concerns regarding parts of the judgment. At the time of writing, XRP is trading at 73 cents, experiencing an 8% decline in the past 24 hours, but it has rallied over 55% in the last 7 days. From a technical analysis perspective, XRP is currently dominated by bullish sentiment. However, it is facing significant resistance levels, with $1 being a milestone to watch for. A failure to close above the current 75 cents resistance area could lead to a notable retracement. Overall, XRP's trajectory towards higher levels depends on several factors, including general market movements and further regulatory developments. Investors should remain cautious and closely monitor these factors before making significant trading decisions. Xrp New News Update. Alex Mashinsky, the former CEO of Celsius Network, a bankrupt crypto investment company, was arrested in his New York home on July 13, exactly 1 year after Celsius filed for bankruptcy. U.S. prosecutors charged Mashinsky with 7 counts, including securities fraud and market manipulation related to the CEL token. Roni Cohen-Pavon, the former chief revenue officer of Celsius and an Israeli citizen, was also charged but avoided arrest by staying abroad. During his arraignment in a Manhattan courtroom, Mashinsky pleaded not guilty to all charges and was released on a $40 million bond secured by his Manhattan home and a brokerage account. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, all filed civil suits against Mashinsky and Celsius. Celsius settled with all three agencies by promising not to repeat the alleged misconduct and agreeing to pay back $4.72 billion in customer funds. The bankruptcy examiner's reports from November 2022 and January 2023 detailed Celsius and Mashinsky's alleged lies, incompetence, and Ponzi schemes, which served as the basis for the indictment and complaints. Among the allegations are that Mashinsky repeatedly lied about Celsius Earn and the Cell token, about loans made by Celsius, about investment risks, and the company's financial health. Celsius Earn rewards were allegedly paid out from incoming customer funds, resembling a Ponzi scheme. The company also reportedly pumped the Cell token to increase its treasury's dollar value, allowing it to claim sufficient assets to obtain loans. Mashinsky and Cohen-Pavon are also accused of profiting from the sale of their personal Cell tokens, with Mashinsky reportedly making $42 million and Cohen-Pavon making $3.6 million by selling to retail investors. Despite the charges, Mashinsky had planned to release a book called The Mashinsky Method, sharing his investment secrets, but the book was pulled by the publisher after Celsius' downfall. Xrp New News Update. As XRP gains legal clarity as a non-security, institutions are becoming more interested in exploring opportunities to buy the digital asset in the open market. This trend of institutional participation has the potential to drive significant price movement and usher in a new phase of growth for XRP. With XRP being officially recognized as a non-security, institutions find the open market a viable avenue to acquire the asset. While they may face restrictions in purchasing XRP directly from Ripple through over-the-counter (OTC) sales, the open market provides a legitimate channel for institutional investors to engage in XRP acquisitions. The entrance of institutions into the open market is expected to create substantial buying pressure for XRP. Driven by increasing legal clarity and a desire to maximize their positions, these institutional investors may use Ripple's monthly sales volume of XRP as a benchmark for their own acquisitions in the open market. Consequently, the scale of institutional buying could significantly influence XRP's market dynamics and contribute to potential price appreciation. In the short term, XRP may encounter resistance at the $1.40 level, which has been historically significant. However, many market observers remain optimistic about XRP's long-term prospects, and there is speculation about the possibility of XRP reaching three-digit price levels. However, it is essential to remember that such predictions are subject to market dynamics and broader industry trends, and investing in cryptocurrencies always carries inherent risks. It is crucial for individuals to conduct thorough research, practice sound risk management, and seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions in cryptocurrencies like XRP. While the growing interest of institutions in the open market for XRP is an exciting development, investors should approach it with caution and understand that market volatility, regulatory changes, and other factors can influence the value of XRP and other digital assets. Nonetheless, with legal clarity as a driving force and institutions positioning themselves for long-term gains, the future holds promise for XRP and its community of investors. Xrp New News Update. Following the court ruling on the SEC versus Ripple case regarding XRP, a group of U.S. lawmakers is calling on Congress to pass crypto legislation and provide clarity in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The chairman of the House Financial Services Committee and the chairman of the House Agriculture Committee issued a joint statement emphasizing the need for clear rules of the road for the digital asset industry. They urged Congress to pass a comprehensive market structure legislation bill, which would provide the same protections to all investors, customers, and market participants as found in traditional financial markets. The lawmakers believe that the recent court ruling recognizes the limits of the SEC's reach and that digital assets may not be inherently securities, but can be offered as part of an investment contract under certain circumstances. They criticized the SEC chairman, Gary Gensler, for pursuing a regulation by enforcement approach, which they believe harms investors and creates uncertainty. They are committed to advancing the proposed legislation out of their respective committees this month. Senator Cynthia Lummis also called for the expedited passage of the Lummis-Gillibrand Responsible Financial Innovation Act, which aims to deliver a clear regulatory structure for the crypto asset industry while providing consumer protection. Congressman Tom Emmer sees the Ripple case as a significant development in establishing that a token can be distinct from an investment contract. He expressed the need to turn this understanding into law. The court ruling on the SEC versus Ripple case has prompted U.S. lawmakers to push for legislative action to provide regulatory clarity and protections for investors in the crypto space. The outcome of these efforts could have significant implications for the future of cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. AI Precious Metals New News Update. The gold market has seen a boost this week, reaching a 3-week high with prices above $1,950 per ounce. While sentiment is turning bullish, caution is still warranted as the Federal Reserve's monetary policies continue to play a significant role in the marketplace. Inflation has shown some moderation this past week, but it remains elevated, and the Federal Reserve is unlikely to declare victory in its battle against higher consumer prices just yet. For gold prices to see a stronger breakout, investors may need a clear signal from the Federal Reserve that it has finished raising interest rates. Until then, some investors are still holding back from entering the market. On the other hand, silver is gaining attention this week, with prices surpassing $25 per ounce, registering an over 8% increase for the week, the best performance since mid-March. Analysts believe that silver's dual headwinds are starting to subside, with the Federal Reserve nearing its peak rates and shifting monetary policy expectations benefiting the metal. Both gold and silver markets are sensitive to changes in monetary policy and inflation outlook. As economic conditions evolve and the Federal Reserve's stance becomes clearer, these precious metals could experience further price movements in either direction. Investors should continue to monitor market developments and be mindful of potential risks while considering their investment strategies. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.